Good morning, students. In the last class, I told you I will show you or I will teach you how to change the degrees. We have studied that an adjective has got 3 degrees, uh, positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay. So, if you get a comparative degree, how to change into positive and how to change into superlative, or if you get a positive degree, how to change into comparative and how to change into superlative, or if you get a superlative degree, how to change into comparative degree and positive degree. So, for changing the degree, first we have to understand in which degree the sentence is given. Okay, we have to find out the degree is given in that sentence, whether it is positive degree or comparative degree or superlative degree. That is important. Then only we can change into other degrees. Okay, so first, for example, I am giving an example here. He is an intelligent boy. In this sentence, first we have to find out the adjective. Adjective is intelligent here. Okay, so I told you, if you find more or er or ier plus than, uh, then we can confirm it is a comparative degree. So than is not there here, no er form is there, no more form is there, nothing is, only adjective given there. So we can confirm it is a positive degree. If you see the positive degree, we can confirm its sentence is also in positive degree. So this positive degree, he is an intelligent boy. Okay, so I am going to change into comparative degree. So what will be the comparative form of intelligent? That we have to keep in mind. Okay, so after that, we know that the comparative form of intelligent is more intelligent. So we have to write there more intelligent. Then we have to add one conjunction there, which is that than. Than is compulsory for all comparison, all comparative degrees. Okay, so it is compared into it is changed into comparative degree. So he is more intelligent than any other boy in the class, or that also we can write. So now you are thinking from where this any other boy came. Okay, so we have studied that comparative degree is done between two things or two persons. So we have to add a person there or thing there for making a comparative degree. That's why I have added there any other boy, because any other boy, and here comparison is done between he and any other boy. So only two persons are there. So two person are needed or necessary for comparative degrees. If there is no two person, we have to add any other any pronoun there. Okay, here I am, you have added the any other boy. So any pronoun I have added there as an adjective, and boy one pronoun or common noun also I have added there. Okay, so then how will you change this comparative degree into positive? Again we are going to positive degree. So here I told you, you have to notice, or you have to see which degree you have been given. Okay, so according to that, suppose you are giving I am giving this sentence only: he is more intelligent than any other boy in the class, or in any other intelligent boy, any other boy. Okay, so you have to write there. So in that case, we cannot write a positive degree directly like this. Okay, because we have to tell the difference between two things there. Okay, in positive degree also. Okay, that's what we have to do. We will change the form there: no other boy in the class is as intelligent as. This is important there. Here I told you, first we have to find out the adjective there, then we have to change to degree which we want to say. Okay, then here comparative degree is given there, you have to change into positive degree again. Okay, so then what we'll do, we have to find out the positive degree of the adjective here. Then it will be changed into this form. That means here we have to change into this form. No other boy in the class as intelligent as he. Okay, so if you are writing like this, it will be it is also correct, but it is not giving a full sentence, because here two comparison is not done here. Okay, when this problem is coming, when we are changing comparative degree into positive degree and superlative degree into positive degree, then we have to use this form. Okay, then comparative to superlative, again this sentence will change into superlative degree. Okay, this sentence we will change into superlative degree. Okay, so I told you, in superlative degree also we have to find out the superlative form of the adjective. What will be that? Intelligent will become most intelligent. Okay, and I told you the article the is compulsory before every superlative adjective. Okay, superlative form of the adjective. So we will write there, he is the most intelligent boy among all boys. Here I have written there, in comparative degree we have written any other boy. Okay, and but in superlative degree we have written among all boys. What is the reason? Because here comparison is done among many boys. Okay, in comparative degree we are comparing two things. One, the subject is compared to only one person. Okay, here the subject is compared to many people or many things. That's why I have to write here all boys. I can't write only one boy. If I am writing only one boy, it is wrong. Okay, so I have to write all other boys or all boys, like that. So here the one person is compared to many. That's what the use of superlative degree. Okay, so another example we can take, Smita is smarter than Seema. Okay, so here we have seen that we can see smarter er form is there, than is there. So we can confirm it is which degree? It is a comparative degree. So we can change into, so if you want to change into the positive degree, what will do that? We have to say that Smita is smarter than Seema. That means here more qualification is going to Smita only. Okay, because she is she is smarter. Okay, and Seema is having less qualification. Okay, that means Seema is not that much smarter than smart as whom? Smita. That we have to say. So we have to say what? So we have to start with Seema. We have to say Seema is not as smart as Smita. Here we have to use the positive form. For positive degree we have to use the positive form, and we have to use there as plus positive form of the positive form of the adjective and as. Okay, then Smita. That means here meaning is same coming. Okay, here Smita is getting here more qualification. Here also Smita is getting more qualification. See that Seema is not. It's saying that Seema is not having that much qualification as Smita. That means Smita is having more qualification here. Okay, but degree also changed. Okay, then Smita is the smartest of all girls. Here we have to say Smita has got more. Smita is the most one, or the Smita is the highest one, or Smita is having highest qualification of all other girls. So we have to write there Smita is the. Then you have to add their article, and you have to add the superlative form of smart will become smartest of all other girls. See there, here one Smita is compared to many, but in comparative degree Smita is compared to only Seema. Okay, that's what difference between comparative degree and superlative degree. I think all have understood. If you have any doubt, you can contact me personally, and I will explain it. Okay, and I will also send the solved exercise of related to this topic. Okay, thank you children.